Let's watch this video together.
Dear Heavenly Father, as this new day begins, we come before you with grateful hearts. Thank you for the gift of life, for your mercy, and for your endless love. Lord, guide our steps today and lead us along the path of righteousness.
Now, this video you just watched right now is a Bible prayer video, and you can also create something like this using your smartphone for free. You don't need to pay for any AI tool. I'm going to show you how you are going to do it for free. And this type of video, you can monetize it because as you can see, the person is talking, is working, is doing every activities. And with this type of video, you can monetize your channel, you can monetize your Facebook page and all your social media platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create videos like this using your smartphone. And you can do this within 5 minutes. You can create this type of video for 30-minute video, 30-minute video using the method I'm going to show you right now. So if that sounds so interesting to you, then watch this video to the end. Don't forget, like, comment, and also share so that more people are going to benefit from this video. Now, let's get started. So for me to be able to create that video, the first thing I did, I head over to ChatGPT. Now on ChatGPT, all you need to do, just write your video idea. And this is what I write to ChatGPT. I say, I want to create monetized Bible prayer video using AI. So write me the script, the image prompt, and also image to video prompt to match the voiceover, and also the voice and the image prompt. And image to video prompt should be clipped to 8 seconds per clips and sing. Make the video 3-minute video, and I want to use consistency character across the video. So this is just the simple idea I gave to ChatGPT, and this is what ChatGPT gave to me. As you can see, for a monetized Bible prayer channel, the safest and most scalable format is faceless AI video, original prayer narration, as you can see, your own voice or AI voice, consistency Bible area. So all these things you can see it here. All these things you can see it here. Now this is our consistency character here. As you can see, this is the character. Now AI voice settings, voice type, as you can see, deep male voice, calm, warm, all these things you can see them here. Now voice, emotion, fade up, all these things. Now this is where our video story gets started, where it says script plus image plus video prompt. Now you are going to see where it says scene 1 here. Now you are going to see scene 2, scene 3, all the scenes. Now we are starting from scene 1. So the first scene here, which is scene 1, we are going to copy like this, where it says image prompt. As you can see, image prompt for scene 1, image prompt, we are going to copy it like this. Now after we copy it, we are going to head over to Flow AI to generate our image. Now this is Flow AI, as you can see. Now the next thing, we are going to click on new project. Now coming to new project, this is how you are going to see the interface. So welcome to Flow. I just register a new email account. So click on got it. So this is where you are going to see it. Now you click on where it says video here. You tap on this video below, you bring it to image, and your aspect ratio, let's leave it 9.16. Now after I put it on 9.16, the next thing, I'm going to paste my prompt here. The prompt I just copied from ChatGPT, I'm going to paste it here. And after pasting it, I'm going to click on this arrow and click on generate. Now after you click on generate, it's going to start generating your image. So this is the image we are going to use to generate our entire video. I'm going to be using this image to generate our entire video, and you guys are going to see how the video is going to look like. And after that, we can match everything together on CapCut. I'm also going to show you how you are going to do that on CapCut, but let's just wait for this image to generate. Now the image has generated. This is the image here. This is the image. As you can see, this is the image. You just click on this download icon up here. You click on it and you click on 2K. So that you are going to upscale it and you are going to download it to your phone. So let's give it some minutes so that it's going to download. It's still downloading the image. Now the image has been downloaded. We just click on it, dismiss here, and we're going to dismiss it. Now you click on back. You go back. Now when you go back, you click on this nano banana, and you click on video. Now you are putting it on video because you are generating the video right now. Click on video. Now after you click on video, your aspect ratio, you also leave it 9.16, and your result should be 1. And this VEO1 here, put it on light, VEO1 light like this. so that you are going to use 10 credit to generate this. Now, after that, you go back to ChatGPT again. Now, this is where you are going to copy your image to video. You copy it like this, image to video. You copy this prompt. After you copy the prompt, you come back to the AI tool. You paste it here. You click on add. You click on this plus icon so that you are going to upload the image. Now, after you upload the image, you paste it here. You paste that prompt you just copy. You give it a space, and you come back here. As you can see, the voiceover here. You can decide to use it as a voiceover, or you can decide to use it as a dialogue. Anyone you choose to use. You can decide to use it as a voiceover, or you can decide to do it as a dialogue. Make the person should be talking. Now, I'll just write something like this here. Nigeria accent. Let me use Nigeria accent. Accent dialogue. Let's use dialogue. Dialogue. And we are going to paste it here. What we just copy right now, we are going to paste it here so that it's going to use Nigeria language, like Nigeria, so that it's going to sound like real human being. So I've copied the voiceover, then I'll click on generate. So it's generating the video right now. You just have to give it some minutes and it's going to generate the video. So let's wait for it. Now the result is complete. This is the result here. Let me play it. Let's play it.
Dear Heavenly Father, as this new day begins, we come before you with grateful hearts.
So this is the video, and after listening to the video, watching the video, you can just click on download up here and you click on 720p so that the video is going to download to your phone. Now, after the video download to your phone, the next thing you are going to do, you can just go back. Now, after you download the video, the next thing you are going to do is just to go back to scene 2 again. Just go back to scene 2. Now we have done with scene 1. Just come back to scene 2. Now you copy video prompt like this. Forget about the image prompt. Just copy the video prompt like this. After you copy it, go back to the AI tool. You click on this plus icon again and you add that image again. The image you just used there right now. You paste the image here and you click on dot and write the same thing. Write Nigeria accent dialogue again. Then you put this exclamation mark. Then you go back to the ChatGPT and you copy this voiceover here. You copy it. After you copy it, you come back here and you are going to paste it here. After you paste it, you click on generate again and it's going to generate your next video. So this is how you are going to do. You are going to generate all your videos clip by clip, and after you generate it, you are going to go to CapCut where you are going to add them together, and I'm going to show you how you are going to add them together and add some little editing so that it's going to look very nice. Now the video is complete. This is the video here. Let's play it also. This is the video. As you can see, it's still the same person.
Thank you for the gift of life, for your mercy, and for your endless love.
Play right now. We can also download it. You can also tap on the video, you click on download, and the video is going to start downloading to your phone. Now, as you can see, it's downloading up here. Now, after it download, you just go back again. After you go back to ChatGPT. Now you are coming back to scene 3. Coming back to scene 3, you copy video prompt again. Copy it. You go back to the AI tool. You click on plus icon. You add the image again. You paste your prompt and you write the same thing. Nigeria accent dialogue, and you put exclamation mark. You come back again and you come and copy the voice over here. Copy it here, this one like this. This one. After you copy, you go back to the AI tool and you are going to paste it. After you paste it, you click on generate again and it's going to generate your third image. So this is how you are going to be doing it. You just follow it step by step and you generate all the scene. So if you generate it with this AI tool, because it has limitation and it tell you have exceeded the limitation, you can use another AI tools or you change your email and you log in again, you upload the image, you follow the same method and you are going to generate all your scene. Now, after you generate all your scene, let me show you how you are going to add them together on CapCut and edit them so that it's going to look very nice and you're going to get perfect result. Now just head over to your CapCut. This is CapCut. You click on CapCut, then you click on new video. So you come back to videos. Now this is the videos here. And this is the clip 1, 2, 3. So I just generate 3 for now, just to show you guys example. But if you check what ChatGPT gave to us here, as you can see, we have clip 4, that is scene 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to you can see it here. It's many because I told him to generate 3 minutes video. So this is up to 23 scene. That makes it 3 minutes video. So you can generate it one by one if you want. So this is how the video look like. Now let's play the video here on CapCut.
Dear Heavenly Father, as this new day begins, we come before you with grateful hearts. Thank you for the gift of life, for your mercy, and for your endless love. Lord, guide our steps today and lead us along the path of righteousness.
If this is your result like this is what you just need to do. Just come back here, you tap on this middle white, what you are seeing in this middle, right? This white something like this, you just tap on it so that you are going to add transition. So I prefer this slow fade. As you can see, slow fade here, this second one here, this second one, you tap on it. Now when you tap on it, you bring it to the end like this, maybe 3.4 or 3 point something. Just
with grateful hearts,
and you click on mark and apply all. Here, apply all, and you click on this mark. So it's going to apply to all scene. So just drag your scene, just tap on the video and you drag it. Use your tool and to drag it so that the watermark below all the video is going to is not going to show. Just drag it and do the same to the last one also. Every scene, just do it like that. Now after you do it like that, you tap on the video and you look for adjust. As you can see, adjust here, you tap on adjust. Now after you tap on adjust, just you can click on brightness to increase the brightness of the video like +6. Then you come to saturation, you also increase it small so that the video is going to look very bright. Then you come to sharpness, you bring it to 60 something, 68. Then LC here, you increase it, all these things here gradually. You click on mark, then you come back to highlight, make sure you increase it small. Now you come back to shadow and make sure you reduce it small, and you click on apply now below here. After you click on apply now, it's going to apply. Now watch your video.
Dear Heavenly Father, as this new day begins, we come
before that, let's add the text. You just click on text here and you click on auto caption, and after you click on auto caption, you are going to see generate here. You click on this generate. Now it's going to generate the caption that will be displaying on the video. So let's just wait for it to complete. Let's wait for it. Now it has complete. Now you click on style here. As you can see, style below you tap on this style. After you tap on this style, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to select any style you want. Here, let's select this one here. You just select anyone. Now after you select,
Dear Heavenly Father,
after you select it, you click on this mark and you can place it wherever you want to place it. Now let's place it here. Now after we place it, then let's click on play and play the video.
Dear Heavenly Father, as this new day begins, we come before you with grateful hearts. Thank you for the gift of life, for your mercy, and for your endless love. Lord, guide our steps today and lead us along the path of righteousness.
Now videos like this, if you create videos like this and you post it on your page or your YouTube, is going to be monetized because the person is performing action. It's not just a static image with a voiceover. No, the person is also talking, reading the Bible verse, reading everything and praying. So this kind of video can be monetized on your page. And after that, you click on export up here and you are going to export your video. Now you have seen everything, how you are going to create Bible prayer videos like this using your smartphone. Don't forget, if this video sounds so interesting to you, I want you to support me by sharing this video, comment, and also subscribe. And also, if you have not followed this page, make sure you follow, so that anytime we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.